Hey Mark, welcome back to Single Car Garage. What's going on today? Well, we're working on getting door handles on and locks, and as you've already seen, I've got this lock in, so I basically want to get this side done and the next side. And whatever else that I've got to go on this baby. Hey, before we start that, FedEx dropped off something. Let's see. Oh, put this thing up here on the dirty desk. All right. See if we got everything ordered. I know what should be in here. Elemenor Smoke Gray. Medium graphite, adhesion promoter, and this is red for the lightning. I'm thinking about painting those chrome mirrors. And there's our weather seal, and there's our boot. Not as pretty as the original. And there's our buttons for the controls, and two new pedals. Probably didn't show you this, and it's hard to see, but look, the mice ate my boot up. So I needed to get, I had the heater knob broke a while back, and I had a couple other things need to be touched up with the smoke paint. They're back here on the back window. Kind of hard to tell in this dark, but there's some discoloration right in there. And one of my pedals finally disintegrated. So I bought these 5.0 pedals. Actually, they were on clearance, so I got them pretty cheap. They're kind of cheesy. But that's what those parts are for, and like I said, for the lightning also. I'm thinking about painting those mirrors. I know that's probably a huge, big friggin' mistake, but we'll see. Okay, went to install this, and it is not fitting by a little bit. Those little clips, which holds all that together, that is what's not going in there. So I'm going to have to do just a little bit of grinding right in there to get us a little bit of room. Voila! It is in there. Now when you're doing this, don't forget about your gaskets. Same thing down here. These came with white gaskets. I don't know what the deal is. And this was not going in. Going to take a couple more hits. It's the other side drops right in, this side's not. So let me take it out and see where I need to grind on it. All right, got them in. Had to drill this hole out bigger, and we had to drill this hole out bigger, and this one I'm going to have to work on. It is not working correctly. And there's our pasture side. All right, about 3 hours putting the thing, these both sides on. I've had it. I think I'm calling it a day or time to get out of here, take a ride, do something, but these doors have drove me nuts. Hey, thanks for stopping by. Appreciate it. Come back and see me. All that great stuff. Talk to you later.